Welcome to Awesome Code. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove an item by value uh, of the list in Python. If we only know the value of the item you want to remove, you can use the remove method. So let's see if we have a list of car names. And first we are going to print the original one, original list. Then we are going to call our remove method on our list and pass in the item that we want to be removed. So this will be our cars, and we are going to remove GMC. And then we are going to print our list again. Here, a remove method tells Python to figure out where GMC appears in the list and remove that item. So let's run our code. And here's our output, the original list and the list when we removed the car name GMC from it. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.